Hello friends. So now today we are going to discuss about SQL, MySQL and SQL Server. Okay. So SQL stands for a structured query language is useful for managing our relational databases. It is used to query and operate the database. Next feature क्या है आपका next feature is about it is we can say that it is launched first time in 1974 and developed by IBM Corporation. Okay, and it is a query language for managing databases, retrieving data from the databases. SQL has no variables. It has no variable data type and constant that does not exist in SQL. Okay, it is a programming language so that does not get any update. Its command is always fixed and remain the same. Always select start from any table, alter, delete and whatever you are using. Okay, so it will always constant, not going to change in the future. Okay, now we are see about that MySQL is a popular database managed system used for managing the relational database. It is a fact where scalable and easy to use databases. It is come in the market in 23rd May 1995 and developed by Oracle Corporation. It is a database software that uses SQL language to conduct with the databases. It has variable data type. Okay, date, time, where, care, whatever we'll discuss later, or the data types. And it gets frequently updates because we get a new version, new features inside that. So that is getting update every quarterly, monthly or yearly basis, that developed by the Oracle. Now next is SQL Server. Okay, so SQL Server, now we say that MS SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, it is a relational database server mainly developed for the Windows store retrieving access and request for a database developer, but now it is also developed for the other OS platform like Linux. Okay, CentOS. It appeared in market first time in April 24th April 1889. Okay, it is developed by Microsoft company. It is also a software that use language SQL language to conduct with the databases. It has also a variable data type constant, primary key, foreign key. Okay, candidate key, data type, where, care, int, decimal, float, etc. Okay, and it is a software that get frequent update. Really, every month get updates, or we can get hot fixes, service pack. Okay, that is developed by Microsoft. When there is a bug in the main, we can say that the main product. So this is the difference between SQL, MySQL and SQL Server. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment and share. So thank you for your time. Bye bye.